do I look any different? I got a new camera. No more iPhone. Kind of new to this, like vlogging style camera. Right now, I just got out of work. I drove to Studebaker, of course, the day I need my HD. So I went, just swapped out the 2500 HD, grabbed the trailer, and I'm going to Copart. I bought something else. I'm not sure what the fuck I'm gonna do with it. I may have paid a little too much for it, but I own it now, and I'm going to get it. So I'm going down the highway, and I got about a half hour to go to get there. And I'm trying to learn how to use this camera, driving, and we're motoring. So let's get her done. Well, I'm all loaded up, tied down. We're gonna leave Copart now. All right, here she is. It's a 97 Crown Vic. I just came over here. There's a little bit more room than over by my shop or my house, so I just wanted to test out the camera and give it a good walk around. All I did was strap it down. I haven't looked inside of it or tried even starting it. I have the key here. We're gonna try and start it together. I mean, it's fairly clean till you get over here, and the fender's crunched in a little bit. It looks like the door just wings out just a little bit. That's easy fixable there. This fender, header panel, corner light, and the bumper, and then the impact bar got it a little bit. That could be straightened. And that's just from what I could see. It's touching. Got these ugly white wall tires. Tires are a little low. I don't think it got into the rad support or anything like that. I just think it's just old. It's got 90,000 miles on it. I don't even know if the doors are locked. There's a little bit of rust on this side. No, it's unlocked. And we're beeping. Let's try and get in here. Oh, it smells like a grandma's car. Let's shut the door. Alright, let's give her hell. Seatbelt light on. Wow, this is straight grandma's car. It reeks of old people. I'm gonna pop the trunk. A little over half tank. On the key it says drives. Oh, mileage. 90,000. Wow, it's clean. The interior is clean. Yeah, I bet your grandma was driving and she bopped something. Probably was just left it in the garage, drove it when they needed it kind of thing. We got a full-size spare. All the floor mats are in here. Let's close that up. Man. Power seat works. Auto windows. Maybe it wasn't such a bad purchase. The car is a little bit cleaner than I thought. I thought maybe it was a little bit shittier. I was thinking of cutting the body off of it and putting an old body on top of this frame and drivetrain, but I don't know. Maybe the car's not worth much even fixed up, so that's the other problem here. I could fix it up, and what's it really worth? 1,500 bucks, if that. I think it's a little overdue on its oil change. Alright, we're leaving here. And I'm gonna go offload the trailer. We're supposed to get a lot of snow, so I need to drop the trailer in the car and put the plow in the truck. Alright, I filmed putting the plow on, but I was more struggling than actually putting the plow on, so I deleted that footage. But I put a new light bar on the plow, and I'm just trying to see. That's my low beam. You still can't really see, but there we go. As you can see here, I built this is where the lights were, and I built this little bullshit stand, and then I just put this big light bar in there. So I just want to test it real quick in the dark before the storm hits. I'm also testing the low light and the focus on this camera, seeing how I just got it. So I mean, that's bright as shit. And it adjusts pretty well. That's pretty good light out of these eBay light bars. You can see we got more lights back here, and amber light on the top. I'm all set for this storm. We got tomorrow 1 to 3, and then over the weekend they're saying potentially 15 inches. So here we go. Alright, we're closing the video out here. I got that car today unloaded, got the trailer unhooked. I have no idea what I'm going to do with that car. If you have an idea, let me know, but I think I'm going to start looking for a body to throw on that frame. I got the plow set up. Maybe you'll see some plowing in another video coming up, but that's all I have for today. If you have any ideas for that car, just let me know. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks.